Let me be honest with you. I used to be broke, not poor, broke. Not because I didn't make money. Sounds like a great idea, right? Buy low, fix up, sell high, but it's not all sunshine and rainbows. I flipped houses for years, and it took a huge toll on my mental health. Constant stress, tenants to manage, repairs to fund, and then there's the risk. When it comes to stocks, I stick with the blue chips. These are companies like Apple, McDonald's, Coke, and Microsoft. Why? Well, they've stood the test of time. They've navigated wars, recessions, even TikTok, and they're still going strong. If you found this valuable, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend. And if you're new here, subscribe for more insights on leveling up in life and business. We've got more videos coming your way. Until next time, keep hustling and stay smart. Peace. That's why I won't be selling my blue chip stocks anytime soon. They may not be the hottest stock of the moment, but they're the safest bet for long-term growth. You could put your heart and soul into a flip only to have it fall through at the last minute. It's a roller coaster. For the ultimate simplicity, invest in a broad market index fund like VTI or VT. You get instant diversification, ultra-low fees, and a hands-off approach. And here's the best part, emotion-proof investing. No more highs and lows, no more panic selling. Studies show that this simple strategy outperforms 85% of pros. Just imagine $500 a month into VTI from age 25 to 65 could turn into $1.5 million. That's over $95,000 a year for life. All thanks to the magic of compounding. And the best part, you don't need a crazy income. With just a few simple assets, you can pave the way to a brighter financial future. But it wasn't until I discovered a different path. The future is here, and it's powered by AI. Think about it. AI is revolutionizing every industry from healthcare to finance. It's boosting productivity, automating tasks, and driving innovation. That's why I'm betting big on AI stocks like Nvidia, Google, and Microsoft. The potential is incredible. While others might dismiss it as a fad, I see the bigger picture. AI is just getting started. The path of financial freedom through assets that pay you without the headaches. That's when my perspective shifted. Your ability to solve problems, create value, and bring results. These are your superpowers. When you hone your skills, you become indispensable. But remember, real wealth isn't about quick wins. It's about smart, strategic moves that compound over time. It's about owning assets that stand the test of time, that weather economic storms, and that keep you financially free. You unlock new income streams, and you attract lucrative opportunities. It's like having an asset that can't be taken away. Your personal brand is your most powerful tool. Build it, nurture it, and watch it grow. But because I kept buying things that made me look rich while making me poorer every day. Providing a steady stream of income without the stress of constant upkeep. They're your best defense against market downturns and inflation. And they don't just build lifestyle, they build generational wealth. Here are the top 5 assets I'll never sell and why. Then I learned a powerful truth. Real wealth is built by owning assets you never sell. These assets pay you in your sleep, they protect you in a crash. And they don't just build lifestyle, they build legacy. Today, I'll reveal the 5 assets I'll never sell, no matter what. If you want to build wealth that lasts decades, stick around till the end. Asset number 5 might just change your life. Coming up, house flipping. So here's the secret truth. 2 lasting wealth, own assets you never sell. These assets are your ticket to financial freedom. No. 1. Real estate. My no. 1 never sell asset is real estate. I know it sounds basic, but there's a reason everyone from your mom to Warren Buffett talks about it. First off, appreciation. Watch your net worth grow as property values increase. Secondly, monthly rent checks. It's like having an extra paycheck every month. Plus, huge tax benefits. Depreciation can offset your taxable income. And lastly, inflation protection. Rent tends to rise with inflation, so your purchasing power grows. Real estate isn't just an asset, it's a cash flow machine that builds long-term wealth. Number 2. Blue chip stocks. No. 3. Index funds. Number 4. AI stocks. And number 5. Your brand and skills. So which of these 5 assets will you choose? Are you ready to secure your financial future? I'll leave that decision in your hands. Thank you for watching.